everyone, it's me, Jennifer, and I've got some Happy Mail that I received I wanted to show you. The first thing I've got are these two beautiful cakes of yarn. Look at that. Aren't they gorgeous? I mean, that's gorgeous. There it is. So, sorry. So this is Rapology Hues. It's called High Alert, and it is 7 ounces or 524 yards. Yes, it was bought on clearance. And here's the other details. It is a 90% cotton, 10% polyester. It is a 2-weight. Here it is, 7 ounces, 200 grams, 524 yards, or 400 meters. But look at those beautiful colors. I love that. This came from my friend Kay. Thank you so much, Kay. I love you. I love it. I love it. I'm still going to make a shawl out of this. It's soft. I love the colors of this. This is amazing. I love it, Kay. Thank you so much. I loves it. I loves it. I loves it. I can't wait to use it. And the second thing I got is from Love Stitches All. And this is called Starry Night. And it is a 6mm. But first, I'm going to show you. They sent me a free... Well, that's backwards, but anyway. They sent me a free stitch marker. And that's what it looks like. It is glittery. So they sent me a free stitch marker. And here is the hook. And I gotta find something white to put behind it. Here it is. I know, look at the envelope. It looks like somebody stepped all over it. But here's the hook. Look at that. Let's turn it on its side. Look at this gorgeous hook. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely beautiful. It is a J hook. It is marked J. And that is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I love that. That's beautiful. And it is a boy style. And here is their information. If you are interested in getting one of their hooks, it is so hard to get one of their hooks, I tell you. You have to go to lovestitchesall.com. They are hard to get a hold of, I tell you. They're always sold out. But I have been very fortunate. So I hope you enjoyed seeing my Happy Mail. I love it. I love it all. So, yes, I loved it. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.